Our English lesson today is about irregular verbs. You studied regular verbs before Easter. They are verbs that form the past tense by adding ed. Irregular verbs do not add ed when they form the past tense. You're just going to kind of have to memorize their spellings. Here are some examples. This is the chart that's on page 112 in your English packet. So begin is the present tense form of the word. The past tense form of the word is began, and the past with helping verb is begun. So examples would be, I begin every day with a prayer. I began this morning with an Our Father. I have begun several days with a Hail Mary. So those are examples of how you would use those in sentences. And we've got break, broke, have broken, bring, brought, have brought. See, some words stay the same in both forms. Come, came, has come. Drive, drove, has driven. Eat, ate, has eaten. Give, gave, has given. So you're going to be practicing with these. I'd like for you to practice with these, with the exercises inside the packet on pages 112 and 113. And then there's a spelling city assignment that you need to complete with the irregular verbs. So make sure you go to Spelling City. I gave you the directions on a Monday assignment for reading. So you should be able to see all those activities there on your front screen. You want to do English irregular verbs on Spelling City.